Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to back a new video. Today's video is what is point of sale system the defined guide. Most your fam- farmer with point of sales PSOS system every if you don't realizing it a post system and site of technology used by related and restaurant owner to accept payment your customer among other tax qualification its software and hardware that real business needed to return their business from outing and making interviews processors transactions to manage customer and staff the point sales of center hope that helps retailer run and grow their business. POS system have enabled anyone from business savers interpretation of arts who when trans they are posing into their professional to open retailer store and grow. So let's go into answer your burning PSO question. What is PSOS? What is a POS system? What is mobile POS system? What is hardware does PO system needed? What is PO transaction? What are PO system key features? Shopping a new POS systems. Improvement search with free PSO buyer and guide. Discovery how to plan your store. Grow choosing POS system. What is supported the business new features. Download the guide. What is POS? POS is advanced form point sales which refer any place transaction can happen whether in product service for retailer using strong their cash register classic dinner we your play choosing instead going your money of website that's area by the cash register it all also constant point sales if you have mobile PSO entries store every become point of sales by got that little later. What is POS systems? The first constant understand about a PO systems that's constant point sales hardware and point sales software target these comparison give mature all the tools they needed accept popular payment methods as war manager and understand the our best business you can use POS to analyze and order your interest, employ customer and sales. Target local POS system very remote which means the using insights server code only run especially area you can store that's be desktop computer cache register receipt point round scanner and payment process will all step by it front desk ports of easily move it easy 2000 seconds a big technical record happened to codes wet advance of code basics strong completing case next step in PSO technology everywhere mobilite it. What is mobile POS system? A result called basic survey what that's retailer called star access the PSO system by packing and advanced internet connectivity whether laptop, desktop, table and smartphone and long into their business portal. A mobile PSO system later retailer manage their entry business for any device time. They demonetize upgrade customer experience. This improvement retailer economic big every run their business service customer and process transaction for every result. Redirect lines play fast customer service. The customer experience that was unique big retailers apply everyone did now that's 80% of retailers that start using mobile POS great their sales. Mobile PSO system also opened up to new sales like opening people up shop selling trade show flexible. What is benefit of mobile PSO system? Mobile checkout payment, customer interest management, real-time access to sales reports, advanced customer data, schedule and management, employer in- investigation, payment process, manage your business any time on any device anyway, open up new store fast, customer relationship, manage capacity. What is hardware does a PSO system needed? The hardware product you needed very dependent your business type of very listed. The most construed hardware using by retailer but keep made not every business needed all these product POS terminal, credit cards, reader, receipt pointer, brokerage, scanners, cash provider. First PSO terminal. A PSO terminal is device that's mobiles PSO software run on for old school and primary system. The cash register what PSO technical for the new option management user other desktop computer laptop tablet smartphone any device with internet connection. Many retailer OPT user tablet like and paired with stand that turns them into constant device of step in sales creation have freedom to pick up their tech look entry customer profile process transaction anyways sales fall to create your cart. This also reflects create card technical is management accept credit and debit card payment. There was credit card accept payment, reading card management showing card, reading card ship every master visa using near field contact NCP payment for mobile provides like apply. Most constant profile cashier payment by 2025 business industry payment 75 of all transaction crash well point of email receipt tag and payment office PSO engagement payment process 3 receipt. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest mission update.